Hi guys, and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video, we're going to walk through the order planning to manage upcoming orders, track inventory needs, and place purchase orders efficiently. To get started, go to the Smart Search and type in Order Planner and access it from there. Once inside, you'll land on the summary dashboard. At the top, you'll see key metrics like all active items, low stock items, out of stock items, total vendors, and total departments. This gives you a quick snapshot of your inventory status and what needs attention. You can customize your data by clicking on the filter button, and from here, select your desired date range, click Apply. This will update the dashboard and show data based on your selected time frame, helping you plan orders more accurately. Below, you'll find the To Be Ordered section. Here, you can view items by vendor or by department. See current stock, required quantity, and stock levels. This helps you quickly identify what needs to be reordered. Click on the View Details, which is the blue icon next to any row, and this will open a detailed breakdown showing item descriptions, suggested quantities, sales, and stock trends. From here, you can adjust quantities as needed before placing an order. Once you've reviewed the items, select the items you want, click Add to Cart. Next, click on the Cart button, and inside the cart, you can review all selected items, adjust order quantities if needed. And when you're ready, click Place Order. This will finalize your purchase order for the selected vendor. After placing an order, it will appear under the Placed Order tab. Here, you can track submitted orders or click View Details to see item level breakdowns for each order. Further down, you'll find the View Inventory section. This shows inventory levels by vendor or department, stock percentages, inventory value, and last order dates. This helps with long-term planning and decision making. If you need, you can also export your data by clicking Export, which are in available formats of CSV, Excel file, or PDF. You can even send it via email. The Order Planner is a powerful tool to help you stay ahead of inventory needs, streamline ordering, and make data-driven decisions. And that's all for the Order Planning module. I hope it was understandable, but again, if you need any further assistance, always reach out to CronySoft and we will always be happy to help you. And also please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you can stay updated with our further videos. I'll see you guys in our next module.